Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on reacting to messages on Facebook Messenger. This is super easy, so let's get right into it. Open up Messenger and go into the conversation you want to react to. Now all you have to do is hold down on the specific message and a reaction panel will appear. Tap on an emoji to create that reaction. You can only have one reaction to each message. If you add another reaction, it will remove the last one. You can also delete your reaction by holding down to bring up the reaction panel and then tapping the same emoji to remove it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more messenger tips and tricks.